Hey yo, what's up guys? Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily export or download an image from Canva that you have made. So I'll open up my browser and head on to Canva. So if you have already made a design and you want to export that, what you will have, I'm going to show you how you can exactly do that in the best quality as well. So first I'll open up my project. Maybe I'll open this one, and I'm going to show you how you can export that for free. So once you are on your project and you have made the corrections and the things what you want to be added, what you have to do is click on this option called share, and then you can have this option download. You have to click on it, and you will have the option to select the format. I will suggest to keep it on the PNG format. If you want any other format, you can choose that, and it can't be the size can't be changed, so let it be the same. So and then after that you have to click on this download option, and now as you can see you have this window opened up, and I can save this. So maybe I'll just save it right here and show you. So maybe if I open it, as you can see the image is saved and it's of very good quality as well. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.